Okay, one other emerging technology in rivet nuts is rivet nuts that offer a floating nut solution. As components get larger, we need to find ways to deal with tolerance stack-ups, okay? Deal with off-alignment assemblies. Once again, we've all bought that furniture where we get it home, we go to assemble it, we get 3 legs assembled, and now the last one's coming in at an off angle because nothing is lined up. We've got a tolerance stack-up issue. And the RIV-FLOAT was designed to accommodate that. You have your standard shell of the rivet nut that functions like a rivet nut, but it also has a cage section at the bottom where the nut is retained into the workpiece. Okay. So now if you're a manufacturer, you can build your tolerance stack up into a few locations where you can apply the RIV-FLOAT. It's been very helpful for many OEMs in the automotive industry to deal with some of these common challenges.